Maxime here from MaximeW.com, and on this video I'm going to show you how to create an affiliate marketing funnel using DropFunnels and ActiveCampaign. So everything is already done for you, so you're gonna have these 2 pages sales funnel and this email automation already done for you. All you have to do is to click in one button and import them into your account. So here's what it looks like. So the first thing that you have to do is to send traffic. So on Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media you're using, or YouTube, and you want to send people to a landing page. And on this landing page, you're gonna propose them this simple affiliate marketing ebook, okay? And this ebook is to promote DropFunnels, and it's already done for you. You don't have to do anything. And it's really good looking and everything, so it's everything done for you. You just have to import and click on buttons. So as soon as they opt in, they're gonna receive this email with this ebook right there, and they're gonna also have access to the thank you page, and this is what this page looks like. So we thank them for getting the ebook, and we tell them it's gonna be in your inbox soon. And while you wait for it, here's how you can get DropFunnels. Okay, so you can put a video, or you can remove this video if you don't have a video. You put your affiliate link right there for them to start their DropFunnels trial. And basically at the end, all you have to do is to again put your DropFunnels affiliate link. You don't have to change this if you don't want to, but you can go to DropFunnels and put the affiliate link of your funnel in there. And third step is to create your ActiveCampaign account. The fourth step is to import this email automation into your ActiveCampaign account. And the 5th step is to subscribe to DropFunnels affiliate program. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that really simply. So the first thing you have to do, and you're going to have access below this video to a link to this Google Docs. So just follow the steps. There are 5 steps, okay? So come here and click on this link to create your affiliate, your DropFunnels account, okay? So right there, fill out the form and create your DropFunnels account. Once it's done, you're gonna have access to this dashboard, and what you wanna do is to come back to this page. You're gonna have your website, you're gonna have your funnels, everything in there, so you're gonna have access as well to some trainings on how to set up everything into your DropFunnels account. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna jump right into there. So all you wanna do is to click on this link and import this funnel into your DropFunnels account. So you click on login, and this is gonna give you this exact sales funnel that you can see right there, okay? And so the 3rd step is to sign up for ActiveCampaign. So go to step 3, click on ActiveCampaign, create your account, follow the step that they give you, and you should have access to your dashboard in ActiveCampaign. And once you are in your dashboard of ActiveCampaign, you want to go to step 4 right there and copy this link. And you want to go to automations, and create an automation and import an automation. And basically right there, you just want to paste the link that you've got inside of this Google Docs, okay? And you click on import. And all you have to do is to replace my name by your name and my email address by your email address. But this should be by default your information as you just created your ActiveCampaign account. So you click on next 6 times for one email. Okay, done, and that's it. You have your email automation imported into your DropFunnels account. Now you want to click on this and you want to copy the DropFunnels affiliate tag we have right there. And what you want to do is to go to DropFunnels and click on edit, and you want to click here on this opt-in form and sign up your ActiveCampaign, connect your ActiveCampaign account to DropFunnels and choose your list and everything and put this tag right there. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a list and everything in ActiveCampaign, then search on Google. You have plenty of tutorials doing this. I might create some of them if you ask me to do this. Please drop a comment down below if you want me to create a simple tutorial on how to integrate ActiveCampaign with DropFunnels, and I'm gonna do this. And so finally, go back to your ActiveCampaign account, click on campaigns, then you want to click on manage variables, and we're gonna do this for each and every one of these steps. Okay, so make sure to replace my affiliate link right there by your affiliate link by editing the link. So you want to put your DropFunnels affiliate link when you get access to the DropFunnels affiliate program. And so what you want to do right there is to click on add, and you want to just copy this, you paste it on the personalization name, personalization tag, boom, boom, and you don't want to change these two things. Okay, at least this one you can personalize the name, but the tag you want to leave it as is. Okay, and basically right here you copy this and you paste it there and you edit and you put your affiliate link from ClickFunnels right there, DropFunnels right there, and you click on add, and it's gonna add your thing, variable like this on your ActiveCampaign account. And why do we do this? It's because I've created the emails so you don't have to do anything except what I've showed you. Okay, so each and every email comes with different variables, and so all you have to do is to create these 5 variables, and the emails will be automatically updated with your affiliate links and your signature. Okay, so this will be the first name of the person that we recover in there. Okay, and here is our DropFunnels affiliate link, and here is the DropFunnels ebook that you can, so everything is in there. All you have to do is to edit the link and create the variable inside of your ActiveCampaign account. So guys, that's it for this video. Click the button down below to get access to these Google Docs. Create your DropFunnels 14-day trial account, then import these 2 pages funnel inside of your account. The third thing is to sign up for ActiveCampaign and then import your email automation inside of your ActiveCampaign account. And the 5th step is to create 5 variables. And when you're done creating this entire thing, you're gonna have access to, you're gonna have a DropFunnels account with these 2 simple pages website, sales funnel, to promote DropFunnels and ActiveCampaign, and you're also gonna get this email automation inside of ActiveCampaign. So basically you're gonna have this entire thing already built for you in just like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked it, and turn on the notification button to get notified every time I release a training just like this one. Let me know in the comment if you have any question. I will be there to answer each and every one of them. And I wish you an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Peace!